Hey everybody, it's me, Tom Engelberger. You know, the author of The Strange Case of Origami Yoda, the whole Origami Yoda series, Chewbacca, the mighty Chewbacca in the Forest of Fear, and my new series, Dee Dee Dodo. She's a spy or something like that. You'll have to read it, find out, I guess. Because today we're busy. We're going to learn how to make an Origami Porg today. Man, my desk is a bit of a mess. I've been working on all kinds of stuff, including a new Origami Baby Yoda. Hopefully I'll have a video for that soon. But today, one of the super easy models. I love this. It's so easy. Origami Porg. It's so easy. You can make a whole flock of them. You're going to need a sheet of paper or a fourth of a sheet of paper. Just fold it up and cut it into four. Or you can use a whole sheet. It doesn't matter. And you're also going to need a brown and an orange magic marker. And you might need some tape. We'll see how we go with that. All right, is everybody ready? Well, you can pause now, and once you get ready, come back, and I'll show you what to do. All right, I'll just move that tape for a second. First thing we're going to do is we're going to fold a little point down at the bottom. So we're going to fold up one corner. I just took that corner and I folded up. And then we're going to take the other corner here, this corner, and we're going to fold that up. So it comes to a little point. See if it's about in the middle. It should be about in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but twiddle it around a little bit till it's fairly close. Okay. Now, before we actually do any folding, I want you to do something for me. I want you to put down a piece of scrap paper or something, and then get out your brown magic marker and go here to the point and just draw on it like this. Okay? Some of it's going to get on the scrap paper. That's okay. When you're done, your paper should look like that. Okay, now you get rid of that scrap paper, and we're going to keep going. So now flip it back over. Now I want you to fold it up about like that. By the way, you can see that line there, that's going to be the Porg's mouth. Okay, so we're going to flip it up. And you see how we want our proportions to be about right. The mouth's about in the middle. There's room for two really big eyes and room for the wings and stuff down here. Sound good? If it's good, flip it back over. Now, normally when we fold an Origami Yoda, we fold straight across. We fold both sides straight across like that. That's not what we're going to do today. Today we're going to fold at an angle like this. Okay, that top corner is going to go across and down to give us a nice angle here. Okay, and the important thing is you're going to have a triangle sticking out past the bottom. That's going to be one of the Porg's feet. Okay, now fold the other side over, and you'd like it if it sort of matched up a little bit. Look at the front of it. Does it match up? Close? If it's anywhere near close, that's good enough. I think I made these feet a little big, but I'm not going to worry about it too much. By the way, I've got a little point sticking out. A real origami master might worry about something like that. I'm not going to worry about it. I just got rid of it. All right, now go up here, fold the corners down like this. Okay, his head got a little pointy, so I'm going to do one more fold to get rid of that pointy head. No one wants a pointy-headed Porg. There we go. Just fold that any way you want to give it a rounded shape. Believe it or not, we're pretty much done folding until we fold the feet back out in a second. Let's get that piece of scrap paper back out just to protect our desk here. Let's see here. What did I do with that brown magic marker? Here's my brown magic marker. I'm going to go in and do the eyes. I'm going to draw a big circle here. Get a big circle here. And then I draw a little circle inside of each one. That's the eye shine. Eye shine is very important for these Porgs. In fact, drawing another little circle down at the bottom, give it even more eye shine. It's going to just bring them to life a little bit since they've got such big dark eyes. The eye shine just makes them a little livelier. Okay, the same is going to go for Baby Yoda when we do him on our next video. All right, so we filled those in. Now we give this guy some little nostrils. That gives him such a great grumpy look. I love those nostrils. Okay, now we're going to give him... Whoops, I just knocked my other Porg on the floor. I'm sorry. Now we're going to give him some little feathers up here and a few feathers down the side. Okay, like that. And then some nice wings. I'm just going to go back and forth like this a few times. to give him some nice wings. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side over here. Okay. As always, nothing has to be perfect with origami. If you wanted something perfect, you could buy a Porg. We don't want to buy a Porg. We want something that's a little bit lumpy, a little bit wonky, just like a real Porg. How's that look? It's not bad. Now we're just going to add a few more details in orange, and we'll be all done. Color in a little here, around the eye, up top, down here for this, and that got squashed out a little bit. There we go. And then color the feet in like this. Guys, we are done with this thing. It was that simple. Now, what I like about this Porg is not only can you just have him like this or use him as a finger puppet, like this. Probably need a piece of tape on the back to properly use it as a finger puppet. But if you fold the feet forward like this, he'll actually sit up on your desk for you. That's why I've got the tape. If you make just a little roll of tape and put it on one foot, he will sit on your desk and keep you company like that. And guys, I hope you had a good time with the Porg. I hope you tune in for my Baby Yoda video that's coming up soon. I'm also going to have a video about how to fold R2 and C-3PO at the same time. My channel is full of how-to stuff, how to fold, how to draw, even how to talk like Yoda. Guys, I'm having a great time, and I hope you are too. See you next time, and may the Force be with you. Always. Did you notice I sort of talked like Yoda and then I changed my mind so the thing just ended up sounding kind of squeaky? Sorry about that. See you next time, guys.